Lokayukta Chairperson Pusira Sotan Lokayukta Enkol 2 Department Hak chu an natho ti boy the anilova an tho tur thok thei turin an mamo an neyem ti chu boy na berzok ani ti Zonet correspondent in komna asoi. School Education Department Noya RMSL Associate Noya Thoktur advertisement swa lova mi sumkwa pakhatlak anni chungchang puangzar tu Congress Party in School Education Minister Pulchan Damaral te chu amimal du saksong te na pechina anpu Zonet chung kwate chibai uletuna chanchin kim changzokin Lokayukta Chairperson Pusila Sotan Lokayukta Enkol 2 Department Hak chu an natho ti boy the anilova an tho tur thok thei turin an mamo an neyem ti chu boy na berzok ani ti Zonet correspondent in akomna asoi
Vigilance ka nodal department ani emo law and judicial ka ani emo ka apoi model lo ima ngai dana chuan DP and AR te po GAD te po hi nodal department chu ani theke hey kan senom state ate po entina Manipur ate chuan GAD amani ka nodal department ni dai ani state dang ate po ni tho chuwangen helai nodal department akha thil poi mo lu tu ane lo ai poi mo khala tap lu tu dan chuan lok ai ta chu administrative financial and functional independence nei turin aduanga khami ang taka kan function thele tu khan nodal department emo chu kan mam ama se nodal department akha law and judicial emo vigilance emo DP and AR emo GAD emo ega po khani sela khami simsim khan kan independence ka akhoi lo kan independence akhoi theina chu kan mam thilang kan dom lo khan budget provision emo office emo kan nei lova staff thok tu te kan nei lo khan kan independence kha akhoi boi theya kan function ang tu khan kan function lo theya chulam pang dai sok chuani a department akha nodal department akha poi mo bok ba se nodal department kan independence lo khu tu ber ani khan pa
Tunhnaya Mizoram Sarkar in Lokayukta Enkol 2 Law and Judicial Department atanga Vigilance Department na athak chungchanga inhnial na omme chungchanga zonet changin pusila so da chuan danin asoi angin Lokayukta chu mani athune na ne administration function le finance apo mania in Enkol turati ania anin Enkol na tur mamo sang le thoktu pek ni lota se sarkar an dil anga idon awangin sarkar thunhuaya an kun lo theidon lova tundin huna chuan budget po asan pa asem sakni in hi governor le high court kal anga sarkar deal kher ngai lova man the charge ani awangin sarkarin athunun thei lova an mani Enkol 2 department to sarkar kal tlanga an mamo ngai to tu chau ani awangin eng department po ani se boina turom lo ti asoi Zonet to Dondanin, Mizoram Lokayukta din ani don khan khati laya a Enkol 2 Law and Judicial Department khan na thok tu samruk pasari vel ne na bulchan durin ram hanna asiama DP and AR po in anpompuya Finance Department na atlang tak lo awangin tu na hian hathok tu samthum pangavel omin ansinga hian sarkar hathok nget department atanga deputation na kalpali chau an oma Lokayukta a hian chairperson baka member pani tal le secretary director of inquiry le prosecution branch te an omtur ania heng na poimo zinga hian chairperson ti lo post dang zong hi no kha alani lova Tu boy andon three to director of inquiry and nanelo awangin tu boy andon tichu SCB and three tier china SCB a hian tu boy panga three tier ni to ma se report thelu na hun bituk pel to te po tun thlengin Lokayukta a report thelu an nanelo ani School Education Department Noya RMSL SSA Noya Thoktur advertisement swa lova mi sumkwa pakhatlak anni chungchang puangzar tu Congress Party in Anthusoi School Education Minister Pulchan Damaral te in anem hetchu lom omanti thun soya amimal du sakzong te na pechina Education Minister anpu Congress Party Media Department hian thuchwa siami MNF Party shrai tu tele mi puino puishat lawin SSA and RMSA samagra siksha a Minister Pulchan Damaral te in adu sakzong le achung khat lain hnai te athun rengani ti alang chiang ani anti a ama chiang tu MNF shrai tu tele an party meeting MR zirtir tu zaria chamret pakhat lak chungchanga alakarin na an ngat ngam lo le namru na changa azirtir tu lockdown en non na tur order an swa hial chu thil om tak alo ni renga an ngai ti an soi Education Minister hian adu sakzong mi engamosa deal na a lak an ni theina tura deal puina zia sak nge ni in Congress Media Department hian an soi boka lekha engkim hu thein a om ni in an soi Congress Media Department hiang Congress Ministry thilti dan Education Ministerin azui du tak ani chuan zirti tu danglak na songsong po NPSC kutada le fekturin an phuti an soya hemi rual hian School Education Minister SSA le RMS hnuaia olsam taka hno kha the post ruak a hno kha to zate post ruak hno kha turla omzat le RMS school thara post omzat te mipui ma apuang chhuak turin an phuti an soya apuang zar lo ani chuan midang shet lawa adu sakzong te le achung khat laina hnai te aru ka thun tumna rilru alapurenga an ngai don ti an soi Congress Party Media Department ten advertisement swalova RMS le SSA hnuaia thoktu lak an ni thu an puanzar hnu hian Education Minister Pulchan Aral te chuan he mi te lak an ni dan hi asoi fi a Congress sarkar in kumcha ni song panga February ni song pathum khan casual vacancy alo oma na ruang hno kha theina tur dan an lo siam to ani ati a chumi mang chuan zirti tu sumkwa pakhat te hi lak an ni ti alo soi to ani. The Mizoram Maintenance of Household Register Bill Sanhi Song Pakwa Pompui Tura Larsa Professor Jagdish Mukhi and President Pompui Tura Athon Chungchanga Mizoram Sarkarin Channa Aladong Lo. The Mizoram Maintenance of Household Register Bill Sanhi Song Pakwa hi President Nena Larsa Pin Athon Ti and Shet Pui Lo Tu GAD Lam Chuan Zonet Changin and Soya President Nen Atrang Emo Larsa Nen Atrangin Emo Channa Engma Anadong Lo Ti and Soya Heti lai hian Zonet Changin Governor Secretary Pulal Thomoya chuan Home Ministry in document an ron dil bel ti le until du te hi GAD lama an thlen vel le ti an soi thung Mizoram cheng chung ko tin te chin che anatur the Mizoram Maintenance of Household Register Bill san hi song pakwa hi kumin March thla a budget session a khan pass ani a Larsa Pompui tur thon ani nu a Larsa phian President Pompui turin athon chhong vele ani Ramchung Mundang Rualin Inpum Khatnani National Unity Day Rashtriya Ekta Divas Tutukin Khan Mizorama Man Ania Zingdar Sari Khan School Puikon Le Chan Mari Kona Chingin Zirlai Ten Konganzoa La Muala Anin To Khom Ani National Unity Day Lomna Hian Assam Rifles Pipe Banin Namhla Antuma Assam Rifles BSF 1st Battalion MAP 3rd Battalion MAP 5th IR Battalion Home Guard 225 Battalion CRPF 1 Mizo Air Squadron NCC 20 Mizo Independent Company NCC te an parade a Deputy Chief Minister Puton Luyan an chibai buk alo chang leta Chief Secretary Pulal Moya Chuango ka Ishwayin heni puala thutiam lak ani bok Deputy Chief Minister Puton Luya chuan India nam impum khatna atana na sataka mala tu Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's pian cham October somthung pakhat pualin Rashtriya Ekta Divas Nam impum khatnani hi man ani ti asoya kumsan ni sompali atangin rampuma manchan ani thute Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel chu India nam tan thei top chwa tu mi hwaisen ani thule aming lema po Iron Man of India ti hiala ko ani thute asoya ni Social Welfare Minister Dr. K. Bechwa an abial chung sia ha a New Colony 3 le college venga le niam lai siam chadan tur Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Department le Geological Survey of India mithiam tenen vo in khan an enfia Leitlang hiam na mun hi Home Ministry lam biakron ani nuwa preliminary survey nei aloni to a tunchuma an enfia na hiam mithiam te chuan drone le bungro changtlung zo ka survey nei thatle ni se anti ani Dr. K. Bechwa chuan Assembly in Thlang campaign lai alawin tiam to anga leitlang hiam chin dol dan tur chu enfia anni thu soya Atakan na tho ani ma in malang na tur tam tak ala omani atia Central lam how to te po in an ngai pui mo zinga anda sakto ni inasoi hemin hu hian Excise Minister hian sia ha Excise Narcotics Department Officer te komin Officer te chu ri hlo do konga NGO te nena tho ho na than na ipui turin acha ani Champhai District Magistrate thu pek ding lai bo suin dungtlang police duty ten Myanmar achanga lak lu ni asiat vok tal rual paruk anman Nizana an vok man le anei tu te hi district court Champhaya thonin vok nei tu apu te hi district jail Champhaya da lu ania vok man te hi district vetting officer PRRS an VMT enfia tura thon ngal ani Chia pui khwa in kumsan hi sompare san hi sompak chunga Mizoram Village Council thabera thlan anni chu vo in khan ro pui takin roinen anlom Local Administration Department le SIRD and PR Jangkopin Mizoram Puma Village Council tra an thlan na Village Council chabera an thlan chi apui khwa hi Mizoram Marto Manipuram Ritepa omani a injani somnga khwa ani a Village Council member pathuman omani November ni som panga sangkha sakwa samret pali a Village Council code din ani achangin mumal takin tun thleng hian tuang takin chi apui Village Council hi an nakalani Village Council chabira thanan ni lom na hi LED Minister Pukel Rinliana na manpuya LED in Mizoram Puma Village Council a enkol zanga somthum palizi nga na thok chabira than an ni chu achuan thu asoi Pukel Rinliana hian mi puiten ezon na ngel nghet an nei theina tura SADP manga ma ala na tura thorim na rin omna le than tuinen mala tura in buat sai turin mi puite asom ani Bial to MLA pu el thang moya po into so in VC chaper ni thei tura che apui khotlang chanrwal na le tho ho na cha chu enton tlak ani thu soe lomna in khoma hian LED director pu RS lalzam na ba ka ngopa video pila shwai tluangi le che apui VCP pu F rin chanate po in thun soe ni India le Japan sipai ten vaireng te CIJWS joint military exercise Dharma Guardian sanhi sompakwa an nei chu vo in khan zo felani Akarna in Komi Japanese Ground Self-Defense Forces Chief of Staff General Goro Yosale, 3 Corps GOC Lieutenant General Rajiv Sirohi den an manpui ani he joint military exercise a hian rampani sipai de chuan tlang rambi ka poi khoina le tharum thona thlenga malak dan turte swalna le poi khoina thleng thunun tura man dan le malak dan tur chi sang sang an zir hawa hemi pi alama hian swalna le poi khoina tudai tura sha tur poi mo chi sang sang ngai thak ni in ataka entir ani a rampani sipai te hian an thil lo ton to atanga malak dan tur anin shil ton bok Mizoram Cooperative Apex Bank Limited Board of Directors meeting in Kaushan Somni Pasari le mimal somko parugdil na chengwai bel che somni chuang pek chua RMT Mizoram Cooperative Apex Bank Limited Board of Directors meeting hi vo in country kwal sauta and head office and chairman Pitilal Monpui Hovane ania heta hian bank masona tura malak na sang sang an thlir hova bankin ma ason zel theina na inkai shwaina dan an duan te pomin chungzinga chuan Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention Prohibition and Redressal Act sanhi som pathung to chana duan bank chunga mechia te za omna humhim na turte Zamorong kaya infiam le inkhoi anni lo na tura lung oilo na nei te tana complaint thelu na tur Internal Complaints Committee din te atelani Board of Directors chikom hian sarkar kum kal mek sanhi sompakwa sanhi somni half yearly closing a bank din mun sang sang te an poma bank financial position and how atangin CD ratio chu za asonga pasari point pasari pali ani Zawzo kami puirong an bol the 9 September nili hian Aizol Chompuya Apex Bank branch thar hon ni se Saitwal district le Mundanga tepo branch hon bel ni se an tibok Mizoram Primary Teachers Association in Primary School Zirlai Bute Mizo Namnila Siam Chatura Malak and Rail Primary Zirti tu tihan vo inkhan Champai Parish Hall an President Pusi Biang Hing Lava Hovin Rowan Rela Primary School electric bill choi chin chu tui bill anga athlona andon theina tura malak anrela zirlai za somnga omtlin lo na headmaster omtheilo tura sarkar wa manna siam chungchanga Mizoram school tam tak chu school no pangza somnga omtlin lo na ani awangin ngai to chatura sarkar an ngen thule a hlotlin an be sei thu po soilan ani Mizoram Primary Teachers Association Councillor meeting a hian members asomli pasari an oma Mizoram chunga district sangshanga changin rural palai an kalkhom ani Mizoram State Legal Services Authority in Nimin Khan District Legal Services Authority at Hoktu Tetan court case kalpui dan tur le shatu poimo zirho na an buat sai he income new capital complex Mizoram State Legal Services Authority pisa ane Mizoram State Legal Services Authority member secretary Puvanal en Moya na kai shwaya heta hian kumin sunga District Legal Services Authority na thok cha te na choi moi na hlan ani a district paria jinga Aizol District Legal Services Authority chun na thok chabera thlan ni in best panel lawyer atan Aizol District Legal Services advocate Pujani lal eng moya to chung thlan ani a best paralegal volunteers lo manchu pilal Zeli Mami District Legal Services Authority nena hlan ania Pidal Tharzel ni hian Kumin September ni Rukhan Ministry of Jal Shakti Nuaya Drinking Water and Sanitation Department atangin na thok chalom man National Award alodong to ani Tunla hian bank account manga inbum na atam hleti Mizoram Police ten an soya mipuite inbum na laka film khur turin an cha bank customer ten link phone call SMS emo WhatsApp message mangin bank account Pianni diklo siam chatur le bank account update tur anga sha tirna andong chin ti police chuan ansoya bank account manga mi bumching ti hian customer te ATM number pin le OTP te anzot bok chin ti soim hetiang lam kai noi reng hi in bum na ani china wangin hetiang thil te chang lo tur le mobile number password ATM number te tu ma shil lo a himber ti police chuan ansoe District Institute of Education and Training died Aizolin vo in Kha National Unity Day pualin Run for Unity and buat sai Run for Unity a hian died Aizola thoktu le zirlai te antela hemi puala in khom toine chu died lecturer pilarin sangi fana ina kai shwaya principal pulan nuntluang namte in nam impum khatna poimo zia soya senior lecturer pilal exam alian na kai shwayin thutiam an cham rol ani Tlabung MZP in Tlabung Government High School a mizo zirti tu da thuai turin sarkar an phut hemi chungchanga vo ina thu chu an siama Tlabung MZP chuan kumina tangin Tlabung High School a zirlai te chu zirti tu nei mumal lovin an kal chhoni in an soya sarkar school a mizo subject zirti tu an nei lo chu zirlai no pangten harsat na sita kan to phani in an soya mizo subject zirdona piangin mizo zirlai te pona an chu angai sia ni in an soye Government di Robert High School Bill Kotlirin andin champa voi somnga na Golden Jubilee vo in Khanan lom aman pui tu Rubber and Allied Crops Vice Chairman Pularin Sangaral te MLA chuan zirlai de chu anma ani in chichiang tu ra cha in abial chunga tangin Central Service ra atam thei angber anin sia thlin theinan theitop chwa pui a in huam ti asroe Government di Robert High School hi kumsang ka sakwa samruk pakwa khan din ani a zirlai somriat paruk an ommek ane Mizoram District Dangterwalin Saitwal District Apo Vigilance Awareness Week sang hisom pakwa manani a Saitwal District thara hei hi achum khatna ani Government Saitwal College Auditorium ma in Khombot saya hian rin omna nun phunga nei ti thupuya manani a Saitwal Borsa Pusilal Pek sang le SCB Additional SP Pujelal Mon ki maten e ruk na le hlimhle na do chungchanga thuan soya Borsa Hovin rin omna nun phunga nei tu ringkal khomte anin tiam ani Saitwal SP Pupi Sil du thanga po in khoma hian thu soya Saitwal Town VC te NGO IO le sarkar na thokte baka zirna in shang IO te in khoma hian antelani Rampum huapa ran shileng le akai noi in shilton zungzung na tura sarkar lai puirwa man nakal phung longtlaya zirho ani Information Network for Animal Productivity and Health ti le National Animal Disease Reporting System ti avwa kalphung zirho na hi AHN Vet Department Farmers Training Hall longtlaya nei ania District Vet Officer Dr. Larin Tluangan kai shwayin AHN Vet Department Deputy Director Patni Dr. Larin Tluangan le Dr. F Lachan Puyaten zirtirna anpe ani training a hian longtlai district le sia ha AHN Vet Department noya thoktu te antelani Leitum branch wai me in an khwa a damlo wanga harsana tok te pukelal zara te bu vo in khan an vuak sak thudon danin pukelal zara hi ariselo awangin na thok theilovin ommeka leitum branch wai me hian lopo an lo thlo sak to a vo ina abu an vuak na hian wai me member mi somni pangavel an thok chuak ani Voin Khan Aizola Kulum Library Celsius de Kusomni Pariat ani a avo Library Celsius de Kusom pakwa ani hemit chung hian ro millimeter point patni asur ani naktuk zirtom nia chuan Kulum Library Celsius de Kusomni Pariat vel avo berlai Celsius de Kusom Pariat vel ani rinani zingdar nga le minisomni palia nia chua kanga tlaidar li le minisomli pakhata atlali ang Lokayukta Chairperson Pusira Sotan Lokayukta Enkol 2 Department Thak chu an na tho ti boy the ani lova an tho tur thok thei turin an mamo an neyem ti chu boy na berzok ani ti Zonet correspondent in komna asoi School Education Department Noya RMSL Associate Noya Thoktur Advertisement chwa lova mi somkwa pakhatlak anni chungchang puangzar tu Congress Party in School Education Minister Pulchan Damaral te chu amimal du saksong te na pechina anpu Katizong khatun chuma chanchin thar kanon ti chwa theite chu ani e